root 2 minus what? Root 5. If you want to take this 3 to up, what will it become? Eh? If you're taking the inverse of this will become 3, open bracket what? Root 2 minus root 5. So that is option D. Who got it right? Who got it right? You don't understand? Ella, where is the point? At which point you don't understand? 1 over 3. Wait, is the answer supposed to be E, D, or E? Is the answer supposed to be A? Please, guys, can we see? And I don't go. What will do now? Is the board still clear? The correct answer is supposed to be what? We have minus 1 over 3, root 2 minus root 5. So what do you think will be the correct option? What do we do here? What do we do here? Can we leave this like this and multiply by minus? Can we multiply both the numerator and denominator by minus? If we decide to multiply by minus, this will become minus, open bracket, what? Root 2 minus root 5 all over 3, right? So what can we do here? So which of the answer is correct? Please tell me in the comments which of the minus is for the denominator. But what if we decide to multiply? Guys, is my board still clear? Light has been seized, but is the board still clear? Okay. If I decide to open up this, this will give me minus root 2 plus root 5 times 1 over 3. So if I decide to rearrange this and put this in a bracket, the 1 over 3, if it comes first, no, it's not working that way. Please, I need help. Oh. It's not about having the answer. Help, I need guidance. All is well, say the negative of the denominator changes the numerator. So all is well, what happens to the numerator? What happens to the numerator? K-World, okay, you want to come up? Okay. Okay, let somebody come and help us. Hello, K-World. This one, the battery is low, safe. Good evening, K-World, you're welcome. Good evening. All right. Okay. Yes. Oh. Okay. So that means what I did initially was correct. So multiply through. Okay, so help us. So I have the minus there, right? You say I should factorize out minus. So it becomes minus minus root 2 plus root 5 all over 3. Okay. Yes, I get it. Okay, go on. Okay. Okay, so that becomes root 5 minus root 2 over 3. Or we can say 1 over, right? This 3 here is the same thing as saying 1 over 3, right? Okay, it's clear. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's start. Uh-huh. Hmm. Yes, so yes, 1 over root 2 plus root 5, right? Root 2 minus root 5. So multiply through by the conjugates. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, you can go on. The denominator has a difference of 2 squares. 2 squares, yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Equal to a plus b times a plus b times a minus b. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay, yes. So we have root 2 here is the a square. So the square cancels the square root. Minus now the b stands for the root 5 square. This is the square. So the square root cancels the square. So what we are left with is 2 minus 5, right? So that gives us, all right. Yeah. Yeah, so we have root 2 minus root 5 over minus 3, right? Yes. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay. Okay. So this now turns to, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. Yes. Mm-hmm. Over 3. Okay. Yes. All right. Okay. Okay. So that means what you're saying now is, mm-hmm. Okay, that means you are removing the bracket, right? Minus root 2 plus root 5, right? Over 3. So now we can rearrange. Okay, so now we can rearrange. Okay. So root 5 comes first, so it becomes root 5 minus root 2 over 3. Okay. And this, yeah, 1 over 3. Okay. So this now becomes 1 over 3, open bracket, root 5 minus root 2, right? Okay. So option A is the correct answer. Alright guys, do we all understand what K-word has explained? Oh, somebody said our answer is E. I'm coming. Sorry, I'm reading comments. Let me see what people have to say. Okay. Marcus girl, do you understand? Lord Richie said, okay, yes. Hello everyone. Do we agree with K-word, with what K-word has explained? Do we agree with him? Or, okay. Let me get. is A. Okay. Guys, keep tapping. Don't forget to share. Yes, Jennifer, you're welcome. The answer is E. So people are saying the answer is E. E is what? 1 over 3 open brackets, root 2 minus root 5. Okay, that is the difference. Ah, so people are arguing that the answer is E. Is Prof around? Hello, Prof. Please, mind if you're still there. Second one. Sure you can see their comments, right? Is E. I think they are just coming in. Option A is the correct answer, everyone. I've solved this before now, so thank you so much, K-World. Alright. The correct answer is option A. You know, we do it in such a way that I want to see everybody's contribution. K-World, thank you once more. So let's move on to the next question. So to those on YouTube that are asking me if I have students here, yes, I have viewers from TikTok. So if you hear me, if you see when I'm silent, it's because I'm listening to the audience on TikTok. You know, here on YouTube, you can't communicate with me. That is one challenge on YouTube. You can't communicate with me the way audience can communicate with me on YouTube. So that's why I just leave the YouTubers to watch what we are doing here, even though you can't hear from the other end. But if you have any question, drop your question in the comments, okay? So we have the next question, which is under ratio. This one is under ratio. It says if 516 naira 0.70 is shared in the ratio 7:2:1, what is the smallest share? This one is so easy, simple, straightforward. 30 seconds is enough for us to solve this. Should I drop the options? Is there need for me to drop the option? Guys, you're not tapping on your screen again. Azia and YouTube. Yes, I'm a student here, okay? Alright, Azia, thank you. Guys, should I drop the options? Should I drop the options? I want to solve. If 560.70 is shared in the ratio 7:2:1, what is the smallest share? Okay. $392.49, 56.70, 113.40, 112.14, 56.07. So let's solve this, please. What is the smallest share from the ratio? Guys, don't forget, keep tapping, 56.07. Let's get more answers. B, 56.07. Okay, everybody has 56.07, so we agreed to that, right? So how do we do this? Very simple, right? First, we have to calculate the total ratio. The total ratio is what? 10, right? Total ratio is equals to 10. 7 plus 2 plus 1. So it says what is the smallest share? That means I'm going to consider the smallest ratio over the total ratio, which is 10, times 560.70. Right? So 560.70 is what? This is going to be 56.70. So option B is correct. Thank you all. As simple as that. Eh? The answer is E. Is it E? Is the answer E or what? 560, 500 and, or is it me that did not calculate it well? 560.70 divided by, okay, divided by 10. Divided by 10. 56.07. Oh, thank you. 56.07. Thank you. Thank you. It's overconfidence that is worrying me. Thank you so much. Who is that? Abdul Wasil. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. All right, guys. Hope you understood what we just did. Almost everybody got the answer right, sir. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Ah, oh, this one is long. This one is what problem? This one is what problem? But we are going to do it. And the question is so long. Okay. Let me bring a question that will make us to argue. There are plenty of people who say they want to come up. These challenging questions that I'm looking for. Even this one I is still thinking. Challenging ones. So find alpha and beta. Find alpha and beta. X to the power of 3 over 8 times y to the power of minus 6 over 7, a bigger bracket, then we have y to the power of 9 over 7 over x to the power of minus 45 over 8, all of this to the power of 1 over 9 is equal to x to the power of alpha over y to the power of beta. Okay, this is the question. Why do I feel like my board is not clear? I don't know why. To me, yeah, I'm not seeing it like it's clear. Hey, my battery goes so down. My battery is down. And the device is hot. The board is not clear, but it's not bright. There's no light. I don't know what to do. Or should we just continue tomorrow? I don't know. I don't know what to do. It's not clear. Or maybe I should turn. Let me use the back camera. Should I use the back camera? Maybe the back camera will be clearer. I want to use the back camera, but the only thing is that reading comments now I have to be turning. Let me see if the back camera will be clearer. I think the back camera should be better. The front camera is usually not so clear when there is no light. Guys, please let me know. Those that said it's not clear, let me know. Is the back camera better? Is it better now? Okay. All right. So we can see the question, right? X to the power of 3 over 8. All right. Okay. X to the power of 3 over 8 times y to the power of minus 6 over 7. E long. No, ODM, you'll be the one to come and solve this one. No. Me, I cannot solve it. I cannot solve it. It's question that I cannot solve that I'm coming here to ask people to solve. Oh yeah, ODM, get ready. Come and solve this one. Or is it Mr. K World? Mr. K World, is it that will help us? This question is what? First, that's what we have to ask ourselves. This question is what? Under what topic is this question? This question is under what topic? Veronica, I like that spirit. You say it's easy. Yes. It's easy. There's nothing difficult here. Which the hair is indices. Thank you, David. This is indices. So we just apply law of indices now. Nothing difficult here. Oh yeah, guys, let's solve at our end. I know once we solve on the paper if you have there. Once you solve like this, you see that the thing is so easy. Should I give options? No, we are looking for alpha and beta. Should I give the options? The reason why I don't want to be giving options is that if I give options, if I don't give options, everybody will keep quiet. Nobody will drop answer. Everybody acts like they solve. If I not give options, everyone will start choosing random answers. That's why I don't want to be giving options. Should I give options? Aisha, how are you doing? I'm from Gambia. My name is Haji Umu for Kebekunda. How are you? Haji, I'm fine. I'm also from Kebekunda. Send me a message. Haji Jawo, send me a message. Should I give option? David said beta is 5/7. Okay. David has 5/7 as beta. Thank you for the follow. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. See, there's no light. There's no light. It's not easy to be doing this live class without lights. It's very boring, but we are here together. Please, let's have large audience. So let me give options. Option A, alpha equals to 1 and beta is equals to 5/7. Option B, alpha is equal to 1, beta is equals to minus 5/7. Option C, alpha is equals to 3/5 and beta is equals to minus 6, right? Option D, where's option D? Let me see. Yeah, I think option D was omitted here. Either it was omitted or it was just 3 options given. I have just 3 options here. I have just 3 options. Guys, keep tapping on your screen, please. I have just 3 options here. Keep tapping. Alpha is 1, beta is 5/7. Olaiton, you say I should solve. Yes, it will save time, but do you know if I can solve it? Me too, is it everything that I know? No, I don't know everything now. Me too, I'm here to learn. I'm here to learn, no. Hey. Who wants to help us solve? I know we have volunteers. Who wants to help us? Larry, send a request. Larry, send a request. Guys, keep tapping on your screen now. Keep tapping. You guys are forgetting to tap. Larry, you're welcome. Okay. Alright. Abdulwasil, just hold on. After Larry, then we'll see if your method will be different. Alright, Mr. Larry, can we start? Shabak, I saw your comment too. Alright. Mr. Larry on the floor. Okay. Okay, go on. Y raised to power 9 over 7. Mm-hmm. Okay. We are multiplying the powers, right? Times 1 over 9. Yes. Yes. Should I use division? Okay. X to the power of minus what? Okay. Okay. Times 1 over 9. Yes, sir. Okay. So 9 cancels 9. Here we are left with y to the power of 1 over 7, right? Okay. All over. Then the x. Okay. Yes. 9 here 1. 45 in 9 is what? 45 in 9 is what? Viewers, 45 divided by 9. 5. 5. Okay, so we have minus 5 over 8 here, right? Okay. All right, sir. Yes. So here we have x to the power of 3 over 8. Yes. Times. So which one is 8 over 5? This one? Here? Okay, I thought we are dealing with the left hand side for now. Okay, so you mean I should okay. Okay, so this x to the power of minus 5 over 8, you want to bring it here? Is that what you mean? Okay, so because we have to let the viewers understand what you're doing. Wait, let me just do this like this so that it will align. Do you understand? I want it all to align. So now we are on this line now. So this is now x to the power of 3 over 8. Yes, so now this x to the power of minus 5 over 8 is the same thing as saying 1 over x to the power of minus 5 over 8, right? I want to do this step by step because some people will not understand if you do it that way. Do you understand? So people will start asking, yes, they will start asking that why is it like that? Even this one, I'm supposed to bring this to the next slide. Let me bring it down. Let me bring it down. If not, they'll be confused. 1 over. I have to bring this one down here because so people are looking at step by step. They are looking at yes. So this remains minus y to the power of minus 6 over 7, right? Aha. Okay, now we can continue. So now they know that this is coming here. Then the y. So it's just as if you are rearranging. What you are trying to do now is rearranging. So let me let them know that you are rearranging. Hmm? So now you are bringing the x together and you are bringing the y together, right? So so this is y to the power of minus 6 over 7, and we have y to the power of 1 over 7. Mr. Larry, if I'm correct, this is what you mean. So you see, it's now step by step, line by line. Okay, we can go now. We can go on now. Yes. Yes. Then this becomes, yes. X to the power of 8 over 5. Yes. Yes, go on, Mr. Larry. Yes. The Y. Yes. Minus 6 over 7. Then y raised to power 1 over 7, right? Okay. Mr. Larry, please let me talk. Yes, love it. Mr. Larry, please let me talk to the audience. Let me check the comments so that some people will not have to drag us back. Do you understand? If not, you finish solving. Some people say they don't understand that you should start from the beginning. Do you understand? So I'm trying to avoid that. Guys, keep tapping on your screen now. Mommy, please give him tea. Give him tea. It's very important. All right, Mr. Larry, there is no question. Everyone, we are clear, right? We understand what Mr. Larry is explaining, right? Oh, I have to remove this person because it's going to block the board. All right, Mr. Larry, they said they understand. They said they understand. They are flowing with you. All right, go on, sir. Okay. So we are going to apply multiplication law of indices, right? Applying the law of multiplication law of indices. Okay, Mr. Larry, kindly go on. So what do we do to the powers? We pick one of the base, right? Okay, x to the power of 3 over 8. Yes, sir. Yeah, you can go on. Yes. Plus 8 over 5 multiplied by then y to the power of. I'm perceiving my rice is like it's burning. 1 minute. Sorry. Yes, sir. Then we add the powers for y too, right? Minus 6 over 7 plus 1 over 7, right? All right, sir. So let's continue. Forty-eight times 5, that is 40. So this becomes x to the power of 40. Yes. We can do that scissors method, or is it butterfly method? 3 times 5, 15. My students are used to it. Yes. 3 times 5, 15. Then 8 times 8. What is 8 times 8? 64. 64. Then y to the power of LCM here is 7 times 7. That is 49. Then minus 6 times 7 is what? 40. 6 times 7. 6 times 6, 36. 42, ba? So this is minus 42, right, Mr. Larry? That is minus 6 times 7, minus 42. Then 7 times 1, 7. Comment section, please, if anything is wrong at any point, let us know before we go far. Okay, so we have x to the power of 15 plus 64. 15 plus 64. 79. So here we are 79 over 40. Then y to the power of minus 42 plus 7. Minus 42 plus 7 minus 35 over 49. Okay, Mr. Larry, over to you. Let's go on. Yeah, Mr. Larry, go on. 79. Who said 79? Okay. Guys, hope we are feeling Mr. Larry. Hope we are feeling him. Baba, actually came in the class. I'm meeting me now. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, it was a call that came in. I just ended it. Mr. Larry, let's go on. Let me put my phone and then play music. Okay, Mr. Larry, they are feeling you. They are feeling you. Yes, sir. 7 can divide which one? 35 and 49 back. All right. So 7 in 35. I mean, yes, 7 in 35 is it 5? Okay, 7. Okay, this. All right, sir. So this now becomes 7 to the power of 79 over 40, y to the power of minus 5 over 7, right? Okay. Okay. Go on, sir. Mr. Larry is a very patient teacher. We see Mr. Larry is doing this gently. Me, I'm not gentle like this. So. Alright, sir. We are looking for alpha and beta. You know we still have the right hand side. Yeah, we have the right hand side. Yes. Here. Is it I should write x over y. Okay. Yeah, go on, sir. Okay. Okay. 79 over 40. Then for the y, what will I put? Seven over 5. Okay. Please hope you understand why it is 7 over 5, guys. Hope you understand. We are taking the inverse of it, right? Okay, Mr. Larry, go on. X is power alpha. So it seems there's a mistake somewhere. Seems, yes. Let me check the comment section. Maybe our audience can identify the mistake. But it seems there's, yes, all well. I can see somebody saying the solution is not correct. Something is wrong somewhere. It must be made there's a mistake. Yes, alpha is not there. And so the answer for beta is not even there. What we have is minus 5 over 7. And what else we are having so far is 7 over 5. Hello, audience. Please, you guys should please contribute. Can you help us identify where the error might likely be? Penamas, you have 1 and 5 over 7. Can you help us identify if there's an error at any point per adventure? Can you help us identify the error? Yeah, okay. Shamak, now you won't pick pen when we don't solve finish, ba? Shamak. Always says, so you can see the comment, right? Somebody here says, all in indices, the negative power changed to 1 over the power. Not the inverse. Okay, somebody said I should bring him up. Okay, since K-word is not, let me remove K-word for the meantime and bring the person up because only 2 can be up at the same time because of the board. Penamas, I'm bringing you up. He said he has the answer, so let me accept it. Let me check if he sent an invite. Penamas, I can't see your invite here. Your name is not here. Penamas. Okay, Penamas, I've sent you an invite. Oh, Abdulwasil. Abdulwasil, let me accept you. Let me see if Abdulwasil, you did send an invite. You remember you told me you can't join a live session. Let me see if I can send you an invite, Abdulwasil. Okay, I've sent you. So let's see who accepts the invite first. I've sent Penamas and I've sent Abdulwasil. The two people that showed interest. Let's see. Mr. Larry, are you checking through to see maybe you can identify the error? 3 times. Okay. Abdulwasil, I've sent you an invite. Diesel, kindly hold on. I've sent 2 people invite and I can't do more than 2 at a time. So Diesel, kindly hold on. I'll send you 2. I'll accept you. Just hold on. If you have more persons online, it blocks the board. Hello, Penamas. Good evening. You're welcome. Yeah, clearly. Yes. Okay. All right. From here, right? Okay. So this 1 over x to the power of minus 5 over 8 is supposed to be what? It's just supposed to be x to the power of 8 over 5. I mean 5 over 8. Okay. All right. So this is where the error started from. All right. So let's see. That's the only error, right? So let's change this to 5 over 8. So the LCM here, 8 times 8 is what? What is 8 times 8? 64, or am I wrong? Now? No, it works. It works that way. It's correct. It works. Forget that you are saying it works. If you do 8 times 8 and you do butterfly method, it will work. That one is acceptable everywhere, nationwide. It's accepted. It will work. See. Okay, hold on. This is 8. What is 8 over 8? Okay, this one, because the denominators are the same in this case. Yes, the denominators are the same in this case. So this is 8 over 8. Yes, I get what you mean. I get what you mean. Okay, let me just put it here so that people will not say, how did you get 1? You understand? So this is 1 here. The value for the y, is it correct? That of the y, is there any error there? I think the only error here is this 5 over 7 turning to 7 over 5. Abby? Is it there? Penamas, are you there? This is 5 over 7. So y raised to the power minus 5 over 7 is 1 over y to the power of 5 over 7. So is it still there? Is the Penamas there? Okay. Maybe it's his network. Okay, sir, I think we can continue from here. We now have our answer. So can you see it? Mr. Larry? So here we have x to the power of 1 over y to the power of 5 over 7 is equals to x to the power of alpha, y to the power of beta. So if you compare now, we are going to have our answer, right? Comparing alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 5 over 7. So, Mr. Larry, I think you just learned something new, right? There's a correction now. So the answer is going to be which option? Option A, right? Yes, so option A is the correct answer. Yes. So, Mr. Larry, you are clear, right? Thank you so much for your contribution. Thank you. So, to all the audience, thank you, Mr. Larry and Penamas, for the clarification. So, to all the audience, hey, they don't come again. No, so make I start from the beginning. Yeah, you see that I always try to avoid this. That's why after Yes, Abdulwasiu, you said it. Thank you. Abdulwasiu, I sent you a request. You did not accept the request. I sent you an invite. Can you see, I always try to avoid this. I don't know, maybe these people that used to come and say, start from the beginning, maybe they are doing it intentionally. Because after every step, I ensure to come and ask the audience if... Imagine that new people are joining and saying start from the beginning. That means we will not even solve. We will not solve enough. So, viewers, hope you understood what has been done. If you understand, kindly type understood in the comment section, please. Type understood in the comment section so I can move on to the next challenging question. I love challenging questions like this. Guys, this is a jam question, oh. Hey, this is jam question, oh. Guess there are some jam questions that we cannot solve in 60 seconds. But let's see if that person is a pro in maths. Not all questions can be solved in 60 seconds. Guys, if you understand, please kindly type understood in the comment section. So move on. Abby, some questions. Some questions in JAM. No, yes, do you know? Yes, Ayomi, morning and night, 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. You do know something interesting about JAM as well? There are some questions that it is the option. You just take the option and substitute in the question and you get your answer. Some questions are like that. Yes. Some you just go to the options. You choose, impute, and solve. But imagine it's not everybody that can do that one. No. Market girl, you have always been active here. That's why anytime you drop a comment, I'm always concerned about you. She said she doesn't understand from where we have 8/8. Penamas or Mr. Nare, can any of you help her explain? So this is where she says she don't understand from. From this x to the power of 8/8. Please just help her explain. She's listening to you. She's very active here. So anytime she asks a question, I always want her to be cleared. Yes. Yes. So just explain to her, please. Another person says she don't understand the 5/7. Another person says she don't understand the 5/7. Okay, I think I missed a step there. That's why I try as much as possible not to miss any step. Because some people will tell you they don't understand how come. See, let me just, after this step, there's supposed to be another step here. Here will be x to the power of 1 times 1/y to the power of 5/7 before this step. So now this, somebody is now asking that how did this y to the power of minus 5/7 become over y to the power of 5/7 here? So I think this has answered it. We took the inverse of it and removed the negative power, right? Yes, Abdulwasiu, yes. There's Shamak, there's no issue with the denominator. Everything here is clear. Okay, so who is explaining to that girl? The market girl, who is explaining to her? Please, she's listening to you. Yes, she's there. Just explain from here, applying the multiplication law. Okay. She says she understands. She says she understands. She has said she understands. Thank you so much. Mr. Larry and Penamas, thank you. Thank you everyone for your engagement. So let's solve another challenging one. Let's solve another challenging one. Okay. So I want to clean the board though. For those that used to say I should shift one side, let them screenshot. Please screenshot in 5 seconds. Please screenshot in 5 seconds. I want to clean the board. They are thanking you in the comments. I just like how my handwriting is neat on this board. I see I should not clean it. Let me not clean it. I just like the solution to this problem. It's so sweet. Jennifer said, do the next question. This Jennifer, she is telling me that I should do the next question. She don't know that me, I don't know book. That I should do the next question. Should I? I've not. Well, are we too fast? I know I'm fast naturally, but Mr. Larry was not fast throughout his explanation. In fact, at a point I was getting impatient because he was not fast. He really explained this. He took his time. Okay, I have a question on proportion. I have another interesting one on trig. Which one should I start with? Should I pick the proportion or I should pick the trig? Okay. Okay. If sin theta is equals to m minus n over m plus n, find the value of 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Let me refill my ink. So that's the question, guys. This is under trigonometry. This is under trig. If sin theta is equal to m minus n over m plus n, find 1 plus tan square theta. Let me refill my ink, then I'll give the options. But before then, let's solve. Let's solve. Many students, once they see a question on trig, they'll just leave it. They'll run away because they don't like trig. Guys, don't forget, keep tapping on your screen. To all my gifters, thank you. So let me have your answer. If you have your answer, can you drop it in the comment section? Yeah, there are options. I'm coming. I'm trying to refill my ink. The ink is empty. These options are so tiring to write, to be long. Option A, 2 open bracket m square plus n square over m plus n. Option B, square root of 2 open bracket m square plus n square all over m plus n. Option C is m square plus n square plus 2mn divided by 4mn. Option D, m square plus n square plus 2mn. This is not the same. Okay. Over, this one is 4mn, this one is 2mn. Then the last option, m plus n all square all over 4 roots mn. Oh. Alright now. Guys, keep tapping. Don't forget, keep tapping on your screen. Foundations, sir. Okay, sir, name of the topic. This is trig. Option D. It's a jam question. All the questions I'm solving are jam questions. I've not started going outside jam. I'm still solving jam. Like, throughout this month, next month, is jam I'll just be doing. Jennifer, you said not do this one in secondary school. Hey! Jennifer, this is secondary school, oh. I'm helping people financial assistance. Edwin, oh, Badun. Guys, let's go. Jennifer, you are coming up to solve this, so Jennifer that said would not do this in secondary school. Is you that will come and solve it too. Guys, keep tapping. Hey, today I entered one live today. I saw 1.5 million viewers. In 5 minutes, 1.5 million viewers. I said, more people they get viewers. Oh. And when I listened to the topic of discussion, I just passed. There was nothing to learn there. It's about 2 ladies that are fighting online. People just like Amebo. It's Amebo that is taking them to that life. They don't want to come and learn maths. We did do trigonometry, but not this hard kind. This is not hard though, Jennifer. This is trig function. It's not hard. Honestly, I don't know the answer or how to start. Okay, let me help you guys on how to start. I'll give you a clue. I'll just give you a clue. Okay, Prof is here. Prof, good evening. You're welcome. Prof was here this morning and it was very interesting with him. Prof, you're welcome. You're welcome, sir. Let me give him drum. Let me drum for Prof. Prof, don't show. Okay, let me help us with the first step. Maybe I'm coming. Maybe the first step will guide us on what to do. The first step will guide us on what to do. So who can tell me, since this is sin theta, what's the formula for sin theta? What is sin theta from? Yes, we'll draw a right angle triangle. Yes, we'll do that. So what's formula for sin theta? We know that sin is equals to what? So, right, that is opposite over hypotenuse, right? Yes. So that means the opposite side is m minus n. The hypotenuse is m plus n, right? So let's draw this. Yes. So let's draw this. It's a right angle triangle, right? So let's have it this way. The hypotenuse side, here we have m minus n. The opposite side, here we have m plus n. So we're looking for 1 plus tan square theta. I've solved a question similar to this for those that were with me last week. We solved something similar to this. So this is the hint. I will not go further than this. For those that say I don't know how to start, I've given you an hint now. I think this should be clear. Prof said I should switch it. Okay, I should switch it. Prof, okay, you mean the angle should be here? So please, can you tell us why? Prof said I should make the angle I should make the angle here. This is the opposite side. Okay. Prof BB of lag, I've switched it. Please, Lisa, can you just tell us why I said we should switch it for the sake of the viewers? The position of the variables. Position of the variables. Yes, I've done that. I think what I just did now is what you meant, right? Penamas, do you know why Prof said I should switch? Hey, light don't come, oh, thank God. Light don't come. You see how the board clean, like. M plus N is like M plus N. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, this is the hypotenuse, M plus N. The opposite, M minus N. Hey, all of us don't chop about this night. We don't even look the thing very well. So, the hypotenuse here. So this is M plus N. Oh, so he was not even talking about the position of the angle. That was not what he was even talking about. Irrespective, we arrive at the same answer. So this is M minus N. This is what he meant, right? Hypotenuse. Abi, what am I saying? Hypotenuse is M plus N. Mr. Larry, is it correct? The hypotenuse is M. Actually, here, you mean here on the left hand side? Yeah. I think irrespective, we arrive at the same answer. Okay, Prof. Okay, I've seen it. Okay, correct. Okay, I'd like to say correct like that. Okay. So let's continue. Thank you, Mr. Larry. Penamas, thank you. So let's continue. Prof, as usual, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, so people have started guessing answer. Is that are those guesses? Are we guessing? Let's solve. Let's solve. So we have to get for us to get tan. For us to get tan. What's the formula for tan? Tan theta is equals to what? 2r, right? Is opposite of the adjacent. So we don't have the value for the adjacent. So we have to find the adjacent first. Me, it's like I'm not even giving hint again. I'm already solving. And I said I don't want to solve because I don't know how to solve it. I'm only giving hints. So let's get the adjacent. We use Pythagoras rule, right? Pythagoras rule, which is what? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Right? So what we are looking for is the adjacent. So the formula, so the adjacent will be equal to what? Square root of the hypotenuse square minus opposite square. Am I right or is correct, right? So this is equals to square root of the hypotenuse now will be what? M plus N to the power of 2 plus the opposite M minus N to the power of 2. So this is equal to what? Now let's open up this. This is M plus N square will give us M square plus 2mn plus N square. Am I correct? Good. Then minus, now let's open up this M minus N square. This will give me M square minus 2mn, am I correct? Plus N square. Please let me know if I'm correct, please. Please. M square, M times M times N minus Mn minus Mn. That is minus 2mn. Minus times minus plus N times N square. Is correct, right? So we have a square root here. Let's not forget the square root. Let's not forget the square root. Guys, don't forget, keep tapping, please. So let's open up this. This becomes the square root of what? M square plus 2mn plus N square. Now this negative sign will affect everything inside this bracket here. It becomes minus M square. Minus times minus is plus. 2mn minus times plus is minus, then N square. Am I correct? Please hope there is no error. So M square will cancel minus M square, right? N squared we cancel minus n squared. So what do I have left? I have square root of 2mn. Mr. Larry, please hope I'm good. Sorry, 2mn plus 2mn, right? 2mn plus 2mn, which is equal to square root of 4mn. So square root of 4 will give me 2, right? So this should be 2 roots mn. 2 roots mn, Abby? So I've gotten the adjacent. So now what I'm looking for now is 1 plus tan square theta. I'm going to stop here. I've done 70% of the work. You people should do the remaining 30%. I've done 70%. You guys should finish the 30%. Yes, Prof. Thank you so much. I'm in the comment section. Keep tapping on your screen. Some people are still awake. They will join. Guys, keep tapping. Keep tapping. Market girl, hope you are still there. Jennifer, can you see that what I'm doing now is what you did in secondary school? There is nothing strange about it. Jennifer, where are you? Come out. Yeah, I don't know. She said I didn't do it in secondary school. Yeah, that's why I'm calling her out. So, okay, she said she's seen it. Okay. She said she's seen it. So what is the identity for 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. Let me just keep quiet. You guys should do it. So all we just need to find now is tan square theta and substitute. You didn't get the answer? Penamas, you didn't get the answer? Jennifer says she's confused from the square root. Okay. Is your method... Okay. Maybe if I finish this, we can employ your own method. Jennifer, what is confusing about the square root? What exactly is this you understand in the square root? Jennifer, what is it you don't understand in the square root? Let me know. Jennifer, tell me. Be specific about what you don't understand inside the square root. It will help me identify where your problem is with the solution, right? I'm still waiting. 1 plus tan square theta. I'm waiting. Ayomide said I'm confused. Confused at what point? Ayomide, were you here from the beginning when I started solving? And where at what point are you confused? Please be specific. The expansion m plus n, but I felt it's something too ordinary, like just to expand m plus n 2 times. Let them be specific. Let me know. M plus n times m plus n. You just open up the brackets. Expansion. Ayomide, is it the expansion of m plus n you want me to explain? Okay. Okay, let me show you. Sorry, let me carry my chair. Ayomide, watch. I'm here because of you. See how you expand m plus n. M plus n squared means what? M plus n in 2 places. So this is m plus n times m plus n. So this is what you do. You pick the first term in the first bracket, which is m. You multiply it by the whole of the second bracket. And the second bracket is what? M plus n, right? Then plus, now you move on to the second term in the same first bracket, which is n, multiplied by all the values in the second bracket, which is what? M plus n. So what do you do from this point? You expand m times m and m times n. M times m is m squared, plus m times n is mn, plus n times m is another mn. This is nm, but you have to arrange it alphabetically. That's why it is mn. Then plus n times n is n squared. That is n times n is n to the power of 2. So this becomes what? M squared plus cmn and mn. They are like terms. If you add the two of them together, it will give you 2mn. This is just simple algebra. Then plus m squared. So that's how I got m squared plus 2mn plus n squared. Now let me explain for the second one. The second one is m minus n to the power of 2. So what does this mean? This means m minus n times m minus n. M minus n 2 times. It is just 2. Means you expand it 2 times. So you pick the first term in the first bracket, which is m, multiply it with the whole of the second bracket, which is m minus n. Then you go to the second term in the same first bracket, which is minus n, multiply it with the whole of the second bracket, m minus n. Now let's expand. M times m is m squared. M times minus n is minus mn. Be very careful with the size. Minus n times n minus mn. Minus n times minus n. Minus times minus is plus. N times n is n squared. So this is m squared. We are going to add up, bring the like terms. Minus mn minus mn are like terms. Minus mn minus mn is minus 2mn. Why is it minus 2mn? Because this mn has an invisible one here. This one also has an invisible one here. So minus 1 is minus 2. You are adding, so you put the letters mn, then plus n squared. That's how I got this m minus n squared as m squared minus 2mn plus n squared. Ayomide, is it Ayo, right? Is it correct? I mean, is it clear? Tell me, is it clear? Are you clear now? Ayomide, are you clear? Penamas, please, are you there? Mr. Larry, are you there? Okay. Okay. So can we continue? Do you have the answer? Okay. Let me just check my comment section. Okay. Okay, Jennifer, you want to join the live. Do you want to explain something? Because just 2 persons can be on the live at the same time. Okay, if she wants to ask a question, the one person has to go down for her. Penamas, please let me check. The way you are positioned, is it blocking the board? Where you are positioned? Because from here it's showing me that you are blocking the board. So that's why I don't used to accept more than 2 because of blocking of the board issue. As no, I don't do accounting. I'm a science tutor. Okay, Mr. Larry, say I can disconnect you for her to come up, right? Okay, thank you, Mr. Larry. All right, Mr. Larry has always been helpful. Thank you so much. Okay, Jennifer, have you sent in your request? Jennifer, send your request. I'm looking for Jennifer's name. So all my gifters, thank you so much. Thank you all for your engagement. Thank you. Somebody just gifted me a rose. I'm looking for the person's name. Jennifer, I can't even see your name on my list though. Are you sure you can join the live session? Okay, I've seen it. I've seen your invite. Yes, Abdulwasil, we are almost done. Abdulwasil, would you want to come up and help us finish it up? I sent you an invite. You were able to accept it, Abdulwasil. Jennifer, are you here? You are muted. Hi, how are you? Fine, thank you. Mr. Larry, thank you for the roses, sir. God bless you. Jennifer, I didn't get your question clearly. Can you come again? Let me write what you're saying. You said R squared uh-huh, equals uh-huh, mm-hmm, x squared plus y squared. Okay. Okay, where did you get this formula from? Under what topic? Okay. Okay. You see this? You see what? Yes, it's like this. This is the same thing. These are here. These are here. Penamas, if I understand what she means correctly, this is equation for Pythagoras what? Pythagoras rule. This R here is represented by, it's just like having, what this means is having a right angle triangle like this. This is R. Abi, this is X, and this is Y. Penamas, are you there? So this is R. So this is hypotenuse square for the R equals to the x square. The x square is what? Can be the opposite. Plus what? The y square, which is the adjacent. So it means the same thing. It's just letters used to represent. We can even call this, some textbook will even call this, they are just represented with letters. So it's the same thing. Yeah, some textbook can just call it xyz and decide to say x square is equal to y square plus z square. Do you understand? I can decide to call this ABC. You can give it any letter. I can decide to call it ABC. And it turns to what? A square is equal to B square plus C square. So it means the same thing. The difference is just the letters. Okay, I have to put the square root because, see, let me clean this. Let me use this to explain to you. Let me clean this side. Jennifer, look at this. You said R square. You said the question you have is R square is equals to x square plus y square, right? What you are looking for is not R square. What you are looking for is x, is just R. But here you have, yes, but here you have R. R square. You are not required to find R square, you are required to find just R. So in mathematics, what goes with square is a square root. So if you want this square to go away, what you are going to do is you take the square root of both sides. You square root both sides. If you do that, the right hand side becomes R squared. You take the square root of it is equal to the square root of what you have on the right hand side, which is x squared plus y squared. If you come back to the left hand side, this square we cancel the R. The square we cancel the square root. This is mathematically true. The square we cancel the square root, so you'll be left with R is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. Substituting. Okay. I get what you. Okay, I get what you're saying. So, that's the beauty of mathematics. Any which way you do it, you arrive at the same answer. In your free time, you can try. Yes, yes. She's talking about her method, and she's seeing me doing something different from what she knows. Do you understand? So that's what confused her. So Jennifer, yes, she understands a particular method, and that's the thread she's following. Me, that's why if I'm teaching a particular topic, I try to use different methods to solve a particular question, so that student will have this, so that we have it in their head that okay, it's not only one way you can solve a problem. See, Jennifer, 5 people can solve this question in different ways, and everybody will arrive at the same answer. Do you understand? So you can, in your free time, you're welcome. Yes, in your free time, Jennifer, you can decide to use your method that you understand to solve this, and you find out that you're going to arrive at 2 If you don't get it, send me a DM, send a picture of what you have done. Check my bio, you see my WhatsApp contact. Send me a DM or WhatsApp, I'll talk to you. I'll help you out with it, okay? So, you're welcome. You're welcome, Jennifer. Where are you watching from? South Africa. Okay, nice meeting you. Please don't forget to repost the live so that more South Africans will see this. Will see my life. I've been to South Africa twice in Victoria. Alright, thank you. Alright guys, please don't forget, keep tapping on your screen. So who is coming to help us with this? Abdulwasiu is here for the first time. Finally. I've accepted your invite. Mr. Abdulwasiu, hope you are still there. I've accepted your invite. Okay, it's still loading. Mr. Abdulwasiu, you're welcome. Hello. Mr. Wasiu, are you there? Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you. Yes, kindly go on. We can hear you. Everyone, can you hear Wasiu, please? Is your network okay? Maybe you can disconnect and send another request. Who wants to help us? Who is going to finish this up now? Okay, can you hear me? I think it's his network. Okay, can we start now? All right, okay, go on. So we are looking for 1 plus tan square theta. So what do we do to get the answer? What do we do? Mr. Wasiu, I think your network is poor. Network is poor. Who wants to come up and finish up? Who wants to come up? Who is coming up now? Penamas. Yes, can you help us finish this off? Do you have a final answer? Do you have a final answer? Option what? D, right? Okay, so help us now. I think Abdulwasi is having network issues. Alright, so let's continue. Penamas. 1 plus tan square theta. So what do we do? Yes. Yes. I have gone. Opposite is what? M minus N. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Adjacent, uh-huh. 2 root mn. Yes. Yes. Can you go on? Alright. So the whole of this we square it, right? Alright. So let's simplify. Okay, so it becomes 1 plus m minus n squared over 2 roots mn squared, right? 2 roots mn squared. Alright, so this becomes 1 plus, should we expand n minus n? Should we expand it? So it becomes m squared minus 2mn plus n squared. The reason why I don't want to show how to do is I've done this like 3 times now. So I don't have to show this again. Divided by what? Now 2 root mn squared what can happen here? 2 square is 4, right? But 2 square is 4, right? Then root mn squared. Let's do it step by step so people don't get confused and ask why. Yes, the square will not cancel square root. So we have 1 plus m squared minus 2mn plus n squared all over 4, right? 4mn. So what can we do here? So what do we do? Yes? Of 1. Let's use butterfly method. Let's use my method. The LCM is going to be 4mn, right? That is 1 times 4mn. 4mn. Then if you cross multiply this way, 1 times 4mn will be 4mn. Then m squared minus 2mn plus n squared times 1 will still be what? Plus m squared minus 2mn plus n squared. So this is equal to what? 4mn minus 2mn is 2mn, right? Then plus m squared, yes, plus n squared over 4mn. Thank you. So if you rearrange, this becomes, yes, so this now becomes m squared plus n squared plus 2mn over 4mn. So which option is the correct one? Option D. Thank you so much. Yes, you're correct. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ha! Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for your contribution. Guys, keep tapping. We are 20K. We deserve more. Hey! So somebody is asking if there is no shortcuts. Is there any shortcuts? I mean, hey, I don't know any shortcut for this one. No. I don't know any shortcut I can use. Our shortcut master is not around. There's one guy that used to have shortcuts to so many questions, but this one, there is no shortcuts. And do you know what? It's because I'm even explaining. That's why I'm taking more time to solve this. If I was to solve this personally, maybe because I know it should not take me less than 6. Yes, there's some step I'll just jump it. Like that expansion now, I will not go by the side and say I want to start expanding. Cabra, I'm from Nigeria, streaming from Nigeria. Mujahid, good evening, you're welcome. So if you understand what you have done, kindly type understood in the comment section. Kindly type understood in the comment section, and please don't forget, keep tapping. To all my gifters, thank you. Should we solve more? Okay. Market girl, what happened? I hope Jam won't drop this type of question. You will definitely see questions like this. That's why it's hard to get 100 over 100 in Jam now. But you can get 80, you can get 90 sharp. But you can't get 100 in Jam in maths. It's very difficult because of long questions like this. Even Jam will not want you to get 100 over 100 in their list now. So let's have another interesting one. If you want to if you want to screenshot now. I want to clean the board, please. If you want to screenshot, please do that. I want to clean the board. F-man, good evening, you're welcome. F-man, please, can you tell us where are you streaming from? Where are you watching from? I've been wanting to ask you. Davido, thank you for the follow. Okay, Abuja. Oh, okay. I was thinking you're outside Nigeria. Okay. You're welcome. Good evening. Okay, I'm clearing the board, oh. Let's solve the last question tonight. I know, Kano is a great food. We are solving the last question. The last question for today. Then everybody should go and sleep. So the last question, it says solve for x if there is this guy. Let me check for his name. He will be the one to come and solve this question for us. 2 over x open bracket 1 over p square plus 1 over q square is equal to m. So let's solve this. This is just simplification. Should I give options? Solve for x, 2 over x open bracket, all over open bracket 1 over p square plus 1 over q square is equals to m. Should I give options? Aisha, thank you for reposting. Yes, Ghost, you are late. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. Give me 30k likes before I leave tonight. We are almost at 23k. Give me up to 30 before I leave tonight. Please, as you are joining, give me a follow. Larry, thank you so much. Mr. Larry, thank you for the roses. God bless you. Wow, this is so huge. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you, Mr. Larry, for the support. Guys, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Should I drop the options? This is the last question. No? We are on the last question. Some of these streamers, I can see them. Oh, they are jam candidates. They will just come. They will look and they will go. I can see their faces. They will just look and go. When it's 2 days to jam, they will be begging that I should come and do live. Okay. Okay, you are solving. All right. Let me drop the options while you guys are solving. Wow, Emmanuel, thank you so much for the roses. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. To all my gifters, thank you. Lima say I'm not doing further mass. Lima, we are not doing further mass. It's mass, oh. It's mass. I'm not. It's mass. I'm not even doing further mass. There's no further mass in jam. There's no further mass in jam. I want to be taking. Wow. Thank you. F-man, thank you so much. I can see the perfume. Wow, I love it. This perfume is so nice. Thank you so much. F-man, always supportive, always supporting my page. Always supportive. Thank you so much. Ayomide, you want options? Toby has. Guys, I'm waiting. Let me drop the options. Keep tapping. We are almost at 30k likes. We are almost at 30k. So let me drop the options by the side. Alright guys, so let's go on. So we have the 5 options here. This is just simplification. The answer is in the option, okay. Let me see if I have more audience. Somebody said Abdul Wasil has C. Did you get C? Penamas, did you have C? Okay, okay. Thank you to all my gifters. God bless you all. Thank you for your support. So let's solve this because of time. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. We're almost at 30k. So what do we do? What do we do here? I think we cross multiply, right? It makes it easier. So this becomes 2 over x is equals to m open bracket 1 over p squared plus 1 over q squared, right? Okay, so what do we do next? What do we do next? Can I expand this? So it becomes 2 over x is equal to m times Penamas. Did you expand the m? Did you open up this or you simplify the fraction first? What did you do? Okay, what did you do? We arrive at the same answer. So this becomes m over p squared plus m over q squared, right? Okay, so what can I do here? Can I take LCM? What do I do here? Audience, what can I do from this point? I've expanded m, so what can I do? Let me take, the LCM here is going to be p squared q squared, right? So p squared q squared divided by p squared, we are left is q squared. So times m will be mq squared. Yes, plus p squared q squared divided by q squared will give us p squared times m, which is also m, no, not mpq, mp squared. mp squared. Look at it. P squared q squared divided by p squared, mp squared. So we have 2 over x here is equal to this. So what can I do here? What can happen here? I can factorize m at the numerator. If I factorize m, I'll be having q squared plus p squared, right? All over p squared q squared. On the left hand side, I have 2 over x is equal to this. I'm using the Yeah, I can cross multiply here. So this becomes 2p square q square is equal to mx open bracket p square can come before the q square. The same thing, just rearranging. So what can I do at this point? Let me check if I'm close to the option. 2 I should divide both sides by. Okay, I'm looking for x. So it's just as if I want to make x the subject of formula. So I divide both sides by m p square plus q square. I don't even know if this my method is wrong. M p square plus q square. Do you know I don't even know that what I don't even know that what we want to do is to make x subject of formula. What I know is that I know that I'm just solving. So m cancels m. So this is even subject of formula anyway. This cancels this. So we have x is equal to 2p square q square all over m open bracket p square plus q square. So the answer is option C. So to those that got option C correctly, to those that got their answer as option C, you have done a good job. So thank you so much, Penamas, for your assistance. We are grateful. Okay. Sorry, I'm using the back camera, so I was not reading comments. Ayamide said, is there another, can we use another formula? There is no formula for this one. There is no formula for change of subjects. This one you just solve, Nikawai. You solve. Marcus, he said we should do another way. Do you have another way? Marcus, do you have another way? Okay, let's Marcus come up. Let's allow it. Did you send your invite? He said he has another way. Let me. Mr. Marcos, are you there? Good evening, sir. You're welcome. All right. You said you want to help us with another method. So is it a shorter method? Okay, you're welcome. Nancy, thank you so much. Okay, so I should clean the board, right? Okay, somebody said this is the fastest method. You can never say, oh, let's see what Mr. Marcos has for us. His method might be a shorter method. Ah, look at me, I've cleaned the question. Oh. Okay, Mr. Marcos, kindly go on, sir. Yeah. So 2 over x all over 1 over p square plus 1 over q square is equal to m. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. If this is your first time, give me a follow. Repost this live so it reaches a larger audience. If you want to leave, kindly note that tomorrow we continue at 9 a.m. after this question. This is the last one. Mr. Marcos, the floor is yours. Kindly go on, please. Okay, p square plus q square over p square q square. Okay, sir, kindly go on. 2 over x, right? Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. P square plus q square over p square q square. Right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. X over 2. Yeah. This becomes x over 2. Okay. I'm trying to understand why it is x over 2. Okay. Equals to just go on. Reciprocal. Okay. Okay. Go answer. Go on. Yes. Okay. Yes. With the M come first, so it will change its position. Okay, yes, you're right. Okay. Okay. So the 2 cancels to here, we are left with x. Right? So these 2 we affect the numerator here. So this becomes 2 times p squared q squared over m open brackets p squared plus q squared, right? I'm supposed to write this one this way. So this is what you mean, right? And this is the final answer. Your method is the shorter one. Indeed. Your method is indeed a shorter one. Guys, what do you think of Mr. Marcus' method? His method is shorter, easier, faster. But if you are not careful, you will make mistake. Yes. But if you are not careful, you will make mistake. Very short and simple. But if you are not good with taking inverse, some people might not know that, when I get here, I'm supposed to multiply both sides by 2. When I get hooked. So this is from a maths professor. So guys, yeah, Mr. Marcos, you can see the positive comment, right? Okay. Mr. Larry, thank you so much. All right, so guys, do we understand now? Mida, hope you understand. Hope it's clear, right? Okay. Yes, chemistry is on Wednesday on Thursday and Friday on my second page. This is change of subjects. I will do WAEC when WAEC exam is closed. Sir? Yes, sir? Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, that word problem. Okay. 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 Okay, so will you be here at 9 a.m.? You are in Ghana, right? Okay, now I just wanted to know your time difference so that you know the time to join. So what is your time where you are at your end now? What is your time? Oh, wow. Okay, 3:18. Our time here is 11:18. 11:18 p.m. Jennifer, yes. Okay. So, yes, 9 a.m. Okay, let me ask my viewers. Me, I'm not in a hurry. Let me ask my viewers. Viewers, are you all tired or we should? I can see the number of participants is dropping. Is dropping. Okay, let me write out the question, even though I'm tired. Okay, they say we should do it. Even though me, I'm tired. I wanted this to be my last question, seriously. Because I have a class 1 a.m. private class. So I wanted to rest before the class. But let's do it. So there was a question we solved this morning. It was a word problem. You know, different people were bringing different ideas. Though we solved it after going back those. We solved it and came to a final answer. So Mr. Marcus wants to help us with a shorter method with that. So I'm going to write out the question. I think Mr. Larry was here when we saw this question this afternoon. Grandma's was like you were not around. Today in the morning, we solved it. But I guess Mr. Larry was here, he contributed, right? I can remember. I'm twice in the morning. I'm twice in the morning. He's 20. Great London. Obtained by reversing the digits. Okay, Mr. Marcos, here's the question. Okay, the options. Guys, I'm at 31.4k likes. Once I enter 31 like this, you guys must take me to 40. Keep tapping on your screen. Because I always go out with a whole number. I don't go out with decimal points. Okay. 24, 42, 74, 47, and 72. All right, Mr. Marcos. Yes, your wish is my command. Okay. X, Y. Okay. We use, alright, sir. Yes. So this is the tens, this is the units. Okay. 3x, 3 times the tens. Okay. 3 times x. Okay. Yes. Minus 2. Yes, sir. Alright. Okay. 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 We are using 2 first. Okay. Okay, see, let me just tell them something. See, all these values here, these 2, 4, 7, 4, 7, they are the tens. Then here on the answers is 2, these 4, 2, 4, 7, 2. They are the units. Okay? Hope you understand. So now you want to take the value for the tens first. So we are substituting for tens, right? So this will be 3 times 2. So they understand why you are picking the 2, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Yes, go on, sir. I'll write it. Twice the units or digits. Wait. Twice the number is 20 greater than the number obtained by reversing the digits. Okay. Twice the number xy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. 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 All right. So we're going to do so that means we'll be doing test and error, test and error. Okay. So what do you suggest we do now? Should we start picking each of the options? So now we are dealing with option A. So this will become 3 times x, which is 2, is equal to 2 times y, which is 4 minus 2, right? So 3 times 2 here is 6. 6 equal to 6, yes. Equation 1 is satisfied. So, alright, for second equation, it will be 2 times 2 times 4 is equal to 20 plus 4 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, equal to 20 plus 4 times 2 is 8. So this is 28. So this does not satisfy the second one. Please let me ask the audience if they understand what we are doing. So they don't tell us to come back. Guys, please, do you understand what we are doing? We are doing test and error, right? Aisha Ibrahim, hello. Do you understand? How do you get the second 6? Do you see? The second 6, 2 times 4, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. Yes, this is word problem. Godwin, you say you don't understand. Ghost, you say you don't understand. Ah. We are substituting, we are picking the options. Let's go. Okay, I'm from South Africa. Okay, please kindly repost this live. Alright, so let's go to the second option. Now let's substitute. Now let's substitute for, now we are going to option A is not favorable. Now we go to option B. The value for x for option B, x is 4, while y is 2, right? So let's do this. For equation 1, it becomes 3 times 4 is equals to 2 times 2 minus 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So equation 1 does not satisfy since one of the equation is out. Yes, there's no need going. Yes, B is out. There's no need going to the next one. Because whatever you're substituting must satisfy equation 1 and equation 2. So now let's go to option C. We have x is equals to 7 and y is equal to 4. Alright. So now let's test for equation 1. This becomes 3 times 7 is equals to 2 times 4 minus 2. This is 21 is equal to 8 minus 2 is 4. This also does not satisfy, sir. Let's go to the fourth one. Guys, we are doing test and error because we are doing JAM. Ordinarily, we would have used simultaneous equation to solve this. Okay, sir. So let's go to option D. For option D, x is 4 and y is 7. So let me test for equation 1. This becomes 3 times 4 is equals to 2 times 7 minus 2. This is 12 is equals to 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 2 is 12. So it satisfies the first equation. So let's check for the second one. 2 times x, which is 4, times y, 7, is equal to 20 plus y, which is 7, times x, which is 4. 2 times 4, 8. X times 7 is what? Please tell me. 8 times 7. 6. Alright, so this is 7 times 4 here is 28. So 28. 7 times 4 plus 20, 48. So it doesn't satisfy the second one. It doesn't satisfy it. So it seems like the answer we got in the afternoon was 47. Alright. Yes. Yeah, because we got 4 and 7 when we did simultaneously. So let me test for the last option E. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 2. So this becomes 3 times 7 is equal to 2 times 2 minus 2. So this is 21 is equal to 2. This doesn't satisfy. So are you sure the issue is not from the interpretation of the second equation? Momo, thank you for the rose. To all my gifters, thank you. Thank you so much, Momo, for the gifts. Guys, keep tapping. Take me to 40K before we end the class. Let's go. Nice having you here. Please repost this live so it gets to a larger audience from South Africa, okay? So I think the issue is from the equation. Yes. Sir? Okay. Okay, I am there. You can text me. But I might not reply you this night though, because after this life I'm going to sleep straight. So if I No, this is not the equation this is not the equation we got. Let me tell you the equation 2 we got in the afternoon. Our equation 2 was 2 open bracket 10x plus y is equal to 10y plus x plus 20. This is our equation 2 in the afternoon. So is it the same thing? Let me see. This is which one? This equation. This one. So let me expand this and see if it will be the same. This will be 20x plus 2y is equals to 10y plus x plus 20. I want to see if it will be the same with your own. 20x minus x will give me 19x plus 2y minus 10y is minus 8y is equal to 20. So it's not the same at all. Our equations are not the same. Yes, into 10 digits, yes. No, Momo, thank you for the gift. So the difference is, yeah. Okay. No, come again, sir. No. Yes, sir. And my brain is already shut. My brain is. My, okay. This is the question 2. We got 47. Okay, x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 7. So this becomes 3 times 4 is equals to 2 times y, which is 7 minus 2. So here is 12 is equals to 7 times 2 is 14 minus 2 is 12. So equation 1 is satisfied, right? Now equation 2 is 19 times 4 minus 8 times 7. This must be equals to 20, right? 19 times 4 is what? 76, right? Is it 76? 76 minus 8 times 7, sir. 56 or, okay, 56. 76 minus 56 is 20, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, and the second equation was what gave us a tough time in the morning session. In the morning, there was a lot, yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. We wrote it in the tens and in the ones, yes. Hey, Hey, somebody is asking me how was this interpreted. I cannot start explaining. I swear I'm tired. Like my brain is already shutting down right now. Yeah, I can do it tomorrow. Seriously. Or you can watch on my page. I always drop the live videos. In fact, Facebook, I say Facebook, what's the name? TikTok automatically drops the videos for me on my page automatically, so you can watch them. Watch the highlights. Market girl, thank you. Okay, let me sit down and get 40k likes then before I go. Let me sit down and get 40k likes. Yay. Yay, this is what I see in my parlor. Let's get to 40k so that I'll be going. Everybody will go. We are all tired. Alright, so yes, if you have questions, please kindly drop the questions. They are saying, are you kidding us? Kidding who? Kidding you with what? Mr. Larry, thank you so much for your support. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you to all my gifters. Thank you. God bless you all. At least anytime I come live, I get nothing less than 100 new followers. Mr. Marcus, do you observe that anytime you join us, you get more followers on your page? Tomorrow is physics. Yes. Tomorrow is physics. Tomorrow is physics. Tomorrow is physics. Tomorrow morning. The whole of tomorrow is for physics. I don't even know what I want to teach, but I know I will come up with something. Nigeria. Dr. Peter, you're welcome. Streaming from Nigeria. I don't do account. I'm not an accounting student. I'm a science student. 9 a.m. tomorrow. If you know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that is writing jam, tell them to join my live session 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. 9 a.m. West African time. Sure, in Nigeria we use West African time, ba? Oh yeah, we are almost at 40k. I said I'm a science student tutor. How can I teach English? Am I even speaking correct English? No, tomorrow is not for mass market girl. Tomorrow is for physics. Me that can't speak English, how would I teach English? Market girl, no, tomorrow is not for maths. Tomorrow is for physics. Tomorrow is physics. I'm going to teach dimension. Yes, those that have reasonable questions should ask. I'm here, I'll answer. Thank you, Mr. Wasiu. You too, you try to learn. So thank you, everyone. Is it not jam past questions I'm solving? I'm using jam syllabus now, so it's jam past questions I'm using. Using their past question means I'm following their syllabus. Mass will be next week Monday. Mass is Monday and Tuesday. But if I don't get enough engagement in my physics and chemistry, I will switch to mass strictly. I will be doing only mass. It depends on the engagement. I'll watch the engagement for 2 weeks. If I'm not getting engagement, I will switch to math because math is a general subject. Everybody wants to do it. But tomorrow is for physics. Then Thursday, Friday is for chemistry. Chemistry on my second page. The same name, you just add 2 at the back of it. Yes, we are at 40k. We are at 40k. I can manage 40k. Thank you, everyone. This class was supposed to just be 2 or 3 hours. Oh. Yes, you can screenshot. Let me turn the camera. Let me turn the back camera so you can see it clearly. Guys, please don't forget to give me a support on my YouTube page. Can you subscribe to my YouTube page, please? Where is this camera? Where's the camera? Mr. Larry, thank you so much, sir. I sincerely appreciate you all. I'm looking for the camera. Okay. Mr. Wasil, hope is clear. You can take a screenshot. Thank you all for the gifts. When I think of the gifts you give me, even when I'm sleeping and it's almost time for the class, if I remember that I'm coming to collect gifts, I will stand up from the bed. Thank you all. So, Mr. Larry, let me know if you have taken a screenshot. I want to go off at the moment. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. Mr. Marcus, thank you once more, sir. To everyone who joined this live and contributed one way or the other, both in the morning and night session, thank you to you all. You are the reason my live session is interesting and interactive. I can't do it all alone. So thank you for sharing your knowledge. No knowledge is a waste. Thank you for sharing. Not everybody shares their knowledge. Some would rather keep it to themselves. So thank you, everyone. Have a good night. Bye-bye. This is for only the ladies here. Only the ladies. Only the ladies. Only the ladies. Bye-bye. Mama?